Man, would you look at that guy? He's got it all. He's got the grades, he's captain of the football team, he's friends with everyone, he's got an active social life. Don't you just hate people like that? In today's video, we're going to discuss what exactly proactivity is and why you should implement it into your life as a student. As usual, timestamps in the description below, so if you want to check them out, they're over there. Begin with the definition. What exactly is proactivity? Proactivity, simply put, is this statement that you are responsible for your own life, you are responsible for who you are today because of decisions you made yesterday, and you can change who you are today. So, what proactivity really means is that whenever you have a stimulus, like an external stimulus, maybe you've got an approaching deadline, maybe you've got a teacher who's angry with you, maybe you've got a whole host of different things that you're trying to do at the same time, that between this stimulus and the response, there is a space. In that space, you get to decide what you want to do. You get to choose your own response to that stimulus. So this is the bigger picture of what proactivity actually is. Let's look at the nitty-gritty aspect. What proactivity actually boils down to is taking the initiative to get the ball rolling, to actually do something. Because in life and in any project you may encounter, in anything actually, what we first see is the bystander effect, in which most people are willing to simply passively stand on the side and let someone else do it. The question is, if everyone else is standing on the side, then how is it ever going to happen? Actually, since we are all responsible for our own lives, since that's the big picture view of proactivity, shouldn't we also take the responsibility to get the ball rolling on any assignment or on chasing down a teacher or something like that? Proactivity can be distilled into one single sentence: act or be acted upon. One way to implement proactivity is what I like to call a war of attrition on your work. So say you've got a lot of work piled up. Maybe you've got lots of assignments. Maybe you're behind studying for that exam. Maybe you just can't handle the 20 different things that you're trying to do at the same time. I'm not going to say cut down on those things because you already know that. What proactivity means in this case is to go and take the initiative or take the attack on that work and keep working away at it until you can reduce it. That is what attrition means. Wearing down that work until there's nothing left. So that's what proactivity means. And actually, this idea of proactivity was taken from Stephen Covey's 7 Habits of Highly Successful People. It was one of the books that completely changed my life, and I highly recommend it to you. If you're interested, then I've linked it in the description below. So if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you like tips like these, then I'm sure you love my email newsletter. Link in the description below as well. And as always, I'll catch you next time.